Today I'd like to talk to you about not getting a job necessarily, but hiring yourself. Have you ever considered setting up your own consulting company in your own name that showcases your skills and talents? To me, that's one of the very best ways to find and land your dream job if you want a job. I recommend that every professional have what I call a plan B, which is your own consulting company, which is basically a website that showcases your skills and a business card with the name of a business that has your name in it, so you don't even have to do the LLC. If it's your own name, generally you don't need to have a name. It's a trade name. Make sure you check with the Secretary of State where you live and make sure of what the rules are. But as a general rule, as a sole proprietor working under your own name in your own field, you can just set up your own shingle and not have to do any kind of unnecessary filing, expensive filing and paperwork. Just offer your own consulting services, because it does something very exciting and powerful. It allows you to bypass human resources and go directly to the hiring manager, the decision maker, and you should be on the same wavelength with that decision maker, so you can talk about his challenges, problems, provide solutions. Maybe they're going to be so impressed with you that they offer you a job and woo you away from your consulting company. It can't hurt. It can only help. It establishes your credibility. It showcases you as an expert in your field. It gives you extra points of contact and extra credibility when you go beyond your LinkedIn page. You actually have a page that Google will showcase with your name and with all of your credentials. It establishes you as the expert that you are. And if you want, you can pick up some consulting business on the side. You can do nonprofit or pro bono work through your consulting company. But more importantly, it lets you engage as a professional at the stature that you are and helps you find your dream job, whether it's as an employee of a corporation or as an independent contractor and working for somebody else. This is Diane Huth. This has been another simple secret of career success. Thanks for listening. Please visit my YouTube page and see lots more videos of lots more information. Take care.